Hello guys, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. In today's video, we will be looking at profitable trading methods for trading boom and crash. Okay, there are some things you need to look out for before you go into the trade. Okay, it's a synthetic indices. It's one of the synthetic indices that you can trade. So definitely you should know everything about it before you go into it, and there are some also there are some other things that you should look out for before you should go into it. Okay, so these are some of the things that we'll be looking at in today's video. Okay, all these things put together will help you make a profitable trade at the end of the day. So that is what we'll be looking at in today's video, so sit tight and watch this video to the very end. So before going fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips. They are all training videos that can get you started immediately. Okay, after watching my videos, make sure you understand every strategies highlighted, which I have highlighted in my videos. Okay, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you go to your real account. This is very important. If you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. If you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. Okay guys, quickly, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell and set it to all notification. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, quickly, let's go straight into what we have for today. Okay, which is our profitable trading method for trading boom and crash. Okay, there are some things you need to know when trading boom and crash. Actually, boom and crash is a synthetic is one of they are one of the synthetic indices which you should which you can also trade on MT5. Okay, so these are some of the things that you should know. Okay, for a synthetic indices asset, you should know that they are trend trading assets. So boom and crash are also trend trading assets. So once you understand this, then you should know the right time to trade, the right time to buy, and the right time to sell. So I'm going to highlight a few things for a few things in this video right away. Okay, so we can buy and sell both. Okay, so for buy and sell, we should know that the trend must be in trend in order for you to buy. Either it is just starting from, it is just going into uptrend, or it is already in uptrend. Okay, if it is just going into uptrend, then it is good. Okay, because that gives you an opportunity to milk the market right from the beginning. But at the same time, like I said, there are some things you need to take note of. Okay, let's say it was coming from a downtrend, from a strong downtrend, then you should know that it will be difficult for it to break out successfully into the uptrend journey. Okay, so that means that you need to be patient enough for it to break it. So if you are coming in right from here, then you should definitely you will make some profit in this region and the region which it will be breaking out from there. But at that stage, because it is just coming from a very strong downtrend, there are some forces around here that will be pushing it backward bit by bit. Okay, so that can also put you in loss for a very long time. So, or it can make you stagnant, or probably make the market to be consolidating around there for a very long time till it is able to break out successfully. Okay, so you need to be very patient enough for the breakout to happen. It's either you come in after it has broken out successfully, or you come in here with a very small lot size to and wait till it breaks out from there totally, so that with a small lot size you would have made some profit right from here before you come in with your real lot size around here. So that is for buy trend. The same thing is applicable for a sell trend. Okay, for a sell trend, definitely the market should be on downtrend at that particular point. But there is one more thing I need to quickly describe around the buy trend. Okay, for a buy trend, remember I said it is either you come in at the beginning of the trend of the uptrend, or you come in later on. So this is where you can come in later on after the breakout. But if you are going to be coming in later on, ensure that it is from a breakout action, or you have an indicator that is telling you, that is giving you a buy signal around there. If there is an indicator that is giving you a buy signal around there, then definitely that buy signal is in line with the trend. Okay, is in line, it is parallel, it is on parallel line with the trend. So which means that you can follow the buy signal at that point and make some profit for yourself. The same thing is applicable for a sell signal. For a sell signal, the trend must be on downtrend. Okay, but remember it is coming from a very strong uptrend. Okay, so if you are coming in from the beginning, definitely you should use a very small lot size to control the capital till it is able to break out from here, till it is able to break out from the support level around there. So once it breaks out, then you can enjoy the trend, the journey of the trend till the very end of the trend. So that is how to do this successfully. So also there are other things that you should also look out for. These things will help you to know your entry point and your exit point. Okay, that is your support and your resistance level. Okay, those areas are very, very important. Okay, if you are going to take a sell trade, okay, so let me quickly analyze this also before we go straight to the charts. Okay, so if you are going to take a sell trade, it is better done when it is coming from a resistance level. Okay, from a sell and buy, this should be buy. Okay, it is better done when it's coming from a resistance level. You know, resistance is always at the top. Let's say this is the resistance level, and if you are going to take a sell trade, it should come this way from a resistance level. That is one. Or it should come from a breakout level, that is, it breaks out. Let's say the trade is coming from above like this, it has been coming from above like this, and eventually it breaks out from this support level. So it is either you trade from a resistance level, or it breaks out from a support level. Okay, that is very, very important. Once it breaks out below the support level, that support level has turned to resistance level automatically. Most especially for those of you that are trading fiat currency, you understand that aspect very well. When your support level turn out to be a resistance level, okay, that is when a breakout actually happened. The breakout, the market broke out from above, below, downward toward, below the support level. So that support level has automatically turned into a resistance level. So that is a breakout action also that can happen around there for a sell signal. The same thing is applicable for a buy signal. For a buy signal, it is better you pick a trade from a support level. Okay, you pick a trade from a support level. Let's say this is a support level, and the market got to this level, bounce back. You can pick a trade right here and start going up and up and up that way, like that. Okay, so you can come in at a support level right here, or you come in when there is a breakout. For instance, when there is a breakout, okay, let's say the market was going down and it came back. Sorry, let me erase this. I'm just trying to explain something so that you guys will understand how it works. Okay, let's say the market came from here. Okay, it has been going up and down, and eventually it came to this support, to this resistance level or probably, so okay, from to this resistance level. So it's supposed to bounce back. Let's say it bounced back the first time but went back again. This time around didn't bounce back and it broke out from this resistance level successfully. At that stage it is expected to go for a very long time. Okay, it is expected to go for a very long time. So these are the two major areas which you can use to trade boom and crash successfully. Either you are buying or you are selling. Okay, let's go straight to the trading platform. Before we go further with this trading platform, then I would like to let you know that this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you have any question at all, feel free to contact me so that we can so that I can explain further, so that you guys can trade successfully whenever you are trading on your own. Okay, so also if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now so that you won't miss out from the next video training that I will be uploading after this. Okay, so all these are very important. So you can see these are some of the things I have just explained to you on the um on the on the on the Jamboard. Okay, these are some of the things I have just explained to you right on the Jamboard. You can see we've got our resistance levels here. We have resistance level here. You can see the market came down from here. I mean, came up from here to this level, but went back again, and this time around tried it out again. You can see it didn't it didn't break out from here, so it went down again. So you can see the best time to sell is around here. You come in here to sell and you can see it went down for long. This is 15-minute time frame, so you might not know how far it's actually went. This actually went for hours. Okay, that is 34 bars, so you can do the calculation. This is another one, got to the resistance level here and came down to this level, and right here is our support level. You can see the support level, you can see it, you can see that each time it is getting to the support level, it is bouncing back up, it is bouncing back up, and when it breaks out from there successfully, then it should go back on it to continue with the downtrend journey. So that is just the way it works. Okay, that is the way it works, just the way it has happened here. You can see it was coming from a very strong downtrend, came down to this level. I want to show you the breakout action. Okay, so it went back up, it bounced back, and this time around it got to that same support level, but it broke it out this time around. You can see it broke it out, went up a bit, but it didn't get to the breakout where it broke out successfully, then came down, and ever since it has been going down. So that is just the way it works. That is just the way it works. And you can see it has tested this resistance level several times. Okay, probably when next it will get there, it is likely for it to break it, because it will still go back on uptrend just the way it has done. This might be a little bit confusing for you guys, most especially if you don't know how to trade. Okay, or probably if you are not very good with your TA, which is same thing as technical analysis. Okay, that is why I always use this to do analysis sometimes. Okay, that is why I always use this to do analysis sometimes, which is a custom made indicator. It is called the QDC Scraper trading indicator, and it helps us to know the trend right from the beginning. On these charts you might not really know the trend, you might not know what to look out for whenever you are trading. On the other chart that I showed you, let me try and bring it up. Okay, this, you might not really know what to look out for whenever you are trading, guys. So you might not really know what to look out for whenever you are trading, because you might not really know the trend if you are not very good with your technical analysis. Except if you are very good with your technical analysis, that is when you can take advantage of that. Okay, so let's quickly go straight to the other chart so that we get to see what is happening right there. Okay, this is the this is the chart. Okay, this is the chart. We can see right from here we got our trend. Okay, the market started the downtrend right from here. You can see it started the downtrend right from there, and it has been going down since then. And this is what I try to explain to you. Okay, if you miss the entry point from this resistance level, then you can come in whenever you get another sell signal. This is where we got another sell signal. We can see that we got another sell signal right here. Okay, let me use my horizontal line right here. We got another sell signal right here. So far the trend is still red, then you are good to go. Okay, so let me quickly explain what I'm trying to say. Okay, the trend started from here where we got our sell signal not quite long from there, but if we miss out from here, then definitely you can come in here again. Okay, you can come in here where we have another sell signal, but before you come in, make sure your sell signal is in line with the red indicator part. I mean, with the red part of the indicator right here. Okay, because that will help you to trade for a very long time. Remember, this is 5 minute time frame. Okay, so you can take advantage of the market that way. Like I said, it is always difficult to break out sometimes. You can see this is where when the market got to the resistance level here, it came down but was unable to break out successfully. But if you had used your first lot size here, which is the smallest lot size, this will have given you in profit. You can close it right here after the first spike, and if you refuse to close it, look, check it out, we got 3 spikes up right here, which is 15-minute spikes. Okay, so at that particular point it took us back to the entry point again. So like I said, it is always difficult to break out successfully. So if you are in the market and it started spiking for the next 15 minutes, you think that the indicator is giving you a wrong signal. No, it is not. It is still in downtrend, just that it is yet to break out from this support level successfully. So you can come in right here again at this resistance level just after seeing this arrow, but check it out, it got to that same support level again, and it spiked up a bit, but this time around broke out successfully. So if you didn't close the first trade and the second trade, you also opened it right here, both of them should be in a lot of profit right now, because this will have given you an opportunity to spend a lot of time in the market. And check it out, spiked up a bit, then came down to this level right here. We got our buy signal, so you can even exit your market right from here, or you leave it open till the end of this trend. This is where the trend came to an end, so you can leave it open till you get to this level. So once you get to this level, then you can close your trade. You can imagine closing your trade right here when you started trading at the top here. Okay, you started trading at the top here, and you have about 3 orders open. One of them is giving you, let's say one of them is giving you 0.5, 50 cents per minute. Then there is another one giving you $1 per minute, that is plus $1, plus $1. Then there is another one giving you $1.5 per minute, plus 1.5. Okay, that is 3 orders, so that is $3 per minute. Now calculate the number of minutes spent in the market. Okay, of course not at the same time, you didn't open them at the same time, but let's try to get the average. Okay, that is 70 minutes, but because we didn't open each of them at the same time, definitely we've got 70 bars right here, 70 bars. So let's remove 10 bars from there, so let's make it 60 bars. Okay, 60 bars, that will be times 60. Then we now multiply it by 5 to bring it out to minutes times 5. Okay, so that means that is giving you $900. You can imagine that. Okay, so let me do it properly so that you will understand. 60 bars times 5, that will give you 300 minutes. Okay, 300 minutes, and you are earning, in total you are earning $3 per minute times 3. That is times 3, so that is giving you $900 on a single trade. Okay, on a single asset. Okay, so that is just the way it works out. So all you just need to understand is the trend. once you know the trend, I'm trying to give you a quick recap on what this video is based on. Okay, once you know the trend, it will help you to know the right time to trade. Okay, like I have explained on the Jamboard, that the trend, there are different things you should know with the trend. When you are buying, it is based on when the market is on uptrend, and you can start from the beginning of the trend. And if you must come in at the middle of the trend, make sure you have a signal that support the trend. And if you are not having an indicator that can give you the clear signal, then you might be getting it wrong. That is why I'm using the QDC scraper indicator, because it's giving me a clear signal. Okay, so the same thing is applicable to sell. Okay, then we also need to take note of our support and resistance level, and I explained to you how to put them into use. So guys, I want you to go back to this video to watch it over and over till you understand everything I have explained in this video. So take your time to understand all these, break it down, and try to practice them. Practice the strategies highlighted in this video on your own. Okay, that is the best way to understand how to use the strategy successfully. So what you just need to do is just to have this set up on your demo account and try it out, then you share your results with me. I'm happy because so many people are sharing their results with me every day, and right now I'm getting more of positive results on real account than demo account. Okay, so I'm really happy about this, that people are making real money this time. So I can't wait to have your results too. So I want you to practice this and chat up with me. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.